on to our next video, and today I'm going to be showing you all the new update stuff. So first I will show you the new bank revamp. Or is it prevamp? I don't know. Okay, so we've all been wondering how this was going to change, but it has come now, and this is what it looks like. It looks epic. Like, gosh, this looks great. They came out with a new robbery thing. I don't know what it's called, but they did. And so it looks so much better than the old one. The old one was a lot smaller, but this one it looks like a true bank. Like, all these little slots in there, that's nice. Like, gosh. Okay, so that is it for the bank. So now we can go to another new update, which was probably the biggest part in this whole thing. And it's even on the cover. It is the private jet. So I haven't gone in it yet. I only knew. What just happened? I don't know. What happened? Okay, so we're just gonna go head over there and go see what it's like. So, from what I've witnessed in other accounts, this has like no suspension at all. This is unbelievable. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I've seen it doesn't really like fly you. You can't really choose where it goes. You can mostly just choose. It only will fly to the other cargo plane, and be done. And then you get over there, off on the other part of the map. So first we come here and we see this. It's a lot smaller than I thought, but it works. This is the new stallion placement of it. This looks epic though. Like, it even has the resort thing. Let's go. So you come up here, the carpet, just sit up here. Can't sit on that. You can't sit? That's pretty dumb. It's very limited space, but let's see. Okay, I have enough. So it's 5,000 to fly across the map. So let's... Oh, I need to get out. No. Get out. No. Ah! So the stallion is over here too, and the fire truck is over here. So that is another. I just realized should have probably Oh, wait, no, I can get in here and fly over. So they added in here tons of new stuff for the new in Crater City. It's once I get there, I'll show you. It blew me away. It's amazing. They finally added all this stuff. So I'll cut the video and then we'll go back when I get there. Bye. So I'm back and we are now in Crater City and I am about to show you what's new. They added the gun store finally to Crater City. It looks better than any of them ever. It looks amazing. Very open. They have this. Just get some guns. Let's get some guns. Yeah, it's open. That's my only complaint with it. Tons of guns here. I have another opening. They could probably add another thing here because there's 2 doors. It's big for one. I don't know what it's called, guns thing, but it's fine. So it still works. So another thing is they finally added the garage. They added one. And this one, same as the gun store, it looks so much better. Like, the city one was good, but this is a very good one. And there's like no walls at all, which is another good thing. So they also added, which you probably could have seen on the screen before when I was showing that, they added another $1 million store. This one is better than the old one. All of them are just better. So all the ground vehicles under here, and then the Black Hawk is right up there, up that ladder. So then if you don't know, they replaced the jetpack, so now it's up there. It's just an added thing. The badge is over here, and that should be the new update. They didn't add, I'm not aware that they added the new combat thing that was, I think, released a couple days ago that Bad Ammo said they was going to do, but I think it was Bad Ammo. I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay, well, that should be the end of the video. If you like the content in this video, like and subscribe, and make sure to go check out Cheap Junk for Less and other videos of mine. Bye!